Hey guys, it's a weekday night. It's going to be a beautiful evening in the lower 50s today up here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So we've got a beautiful salmon fillet. We started a fire, and of all the cooking gear that we have, a gas grill, a smoker, a wood-fired pizza oven, an induction burner, of all the things we have, do you know what my favorite is? This right here, the A-frame, the least expensive of all the equipment. Cooking food over a wood fire is the greatest thing ever. As I mentioned, we've got a salmon fillet here, fresh caught local here in Lake Superior. It's been on the fire for a few minutes, and look at that. That is just about perfect. Let's see. Not quite flaking yet, so we've got a few more minutes on the grill until it really starts flaking up. But the flavor that the fire imparts is just great on your food. I love cooking just about everything on the A-frame. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see me cook on the A-frame, and I'll do it for you. And we're about to enjoy some salmon, and we'll see you guys next time.